Today we're going to look at the GFP 230C. You can notice that the control panel is very easy to use. It's very intuitive, very simple. We have run switch, foot pedal switch, forward, reverse, and a speed dial. The feed table has an interlock on it that holds it in place during running. To release that, press the red button, flip the table up. This helps you load the machine easier and thread. Here we have the bottom supply shaft, and you can put mount adhesive on here, craft paper, or adhesive back vinyl. You'll notice that it has two adjustable core adapters on the shaft itself with brake pads. So what you'll do is you'll put your film on and line it up centered to your machine, tighten down the bolts on both sides, and then you can start running it through and make your brake adjustments as you're running. Also on the feed table we have a safety feature with this hold down bar that will allow you to run 3/16 of an inch boards through here without actually getting close to the rollers. If you need to go to something thicker than 3/16 of an inch, say a 1/4 inch or a little above, you can remove the screws on both sides and raise that bar up and then put the screw in these holes, and that'll allow you to go closer to a 1/2 inch board. On the left side cover, you'll notice an emergency stop switch. To activate, press down. To release, you spin and let it pop up all by itself, and that will reactivate the motor. Down here we have our toolkit where we can keep our film cutter and our wrench for adjusting the core adapters. Okay, around the back side we have the upper supply shaft with two core adapters for our film, and we'll move these wherever we need them. We'd like to keep the product centered to the machine as much as possible. Once you're centered, you will tighten the core adapter in place by using the supplied Allen wrench. Also on the back side is the rewind assembly, and this has a shaft with a cardboard tube on it. To remove, we push this over, and that allows it to release from the other side. And you'll notice that there's a core clip in the center of this. That's what bites into the inside of that cardboard tube and prevents it from spinning on the shaft. On this side, we have the main fuse, we have the power cord, which is 110 volt, and then the main switch will illuminate when in the on position. Next to that, we have the receptacle for the foot pedal that just ties in, and by pressing that activates the motor. On this side of the machine we have the hand grip for raising and lowering that top roller. By turning it clockwise, we're lowering the roller. Turning it counterclockwise, we're raising the lower. Note, you do not want to over tighten this top roller, because if you do, you're going to introduce rivers and wrinkles in your finished product.